linear equation in two variables First, we will take one example. First, we will take one example. Draw the graph of y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Y is equal to 4 minus 2x. This is the given problem. Draw the graph of y is equal to 4 minus 2x. Okay, if we will take some x values, then find the value of y. After we will take the order pair of x comma y. Finally, we will take the draw of a graph. First, what is a given equation? First, we will write their given equation. Given equation is y is equal to 4 minus 2x is given. Given equation is y is equal to 4 minus 2x is given. I will take the variables x and y. First, we will take some values of x, where y will become 4 minus 2x. After we will write the order pair of x comma y. We will observe in this one. First, we will take the x values. We have to find out the value of y. First, I will take let x is equal to 0. How to apply in this one? That I will write 4 minus 2 into 0 will write. 2 into 0 is 0. 4 minus 0 will become 4. Where x value is 0. After that y value is 4. That I will write x comma y is nothing but 0 comma 4. After we will take the point 1. 1 by how to substitute in this one. 4 minus 2 into 1 will write. That means 2 1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. That I will write the point 1 comma 2. After we will take the point 2. We have to substitute x is equal to 2 in this given equation. That I will write 4 minus 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Where x coordinate value is 2, y coordinate value is 0. That I will write 2 comma 0. After we will take the point 3. 3. We have to substitute x is equal to 3. That I will write 4 minus 2 into 3 will write. That means 4 minus 6 is nothing but minus 2. That is the point is 3 comma minus 2 will write. 3 comma minus 2 will write. We'll observe. I will draw a graph. We will observe their x coordinate values. Given x coordinate values are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Their y coordinate values are 4, 2, 0 and minus 2. First, I will draw a graph. This is the given graph we will take. This is x-axis. This is x dash. This is y. This is y dash will take. First, we will write the scale of given graph. First, we will write the scale of given graph. First, we will observe their x coordinate values 0, 1, 2 and 3. First, we will write on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit will take. After, we will observe their y coordinate values. Their y coordinate values are 4, 2, 0 and minus 2. Here we will write on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit will take. Plot the point graph. First we'll take this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4 and this is 5, minus 4 and minus 5. After we'll take the positive y-axis values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 will take. Again we'll take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. First we'll observe the first point is 0, comma 4. We'll observe their x coordinate value is 0 means given one can lies in y-axis. That is the point, name it as 0, comma 4. After we'll take the points 1, comma 2. On x-axis we'll take 1. This is 1 will take. On y-axis we'll take 2. That is the point, name it as 1, comma 2. After we'll take the point 2, comma 0. We'll observe their y coordinate is 0. Already we know that two formulas. The equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Again we'll take the equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. We'll observe their y coordinate is 0 means given point can lies in x-axis. That I will write the point is 2, comma 0. After we'll take the next point is 3, comma minus 2. On x coordinate we'll take 3, y coordinate will take minus 2. That I will write 3, comma minus 2. This is 3, this is minus 2 will write. That is the point 3, comma minus 2. Okay, join all the points. Join 0, comma 4, 1, comma 2, 2, comma 0 and 3, comma 2. Given equation is a straight line. I have to write what is the given linear equation. Y is equal to 4 minus 2x. I will write that is the graph of y is equal to 4 minus 2x is a. Y is equal to 4 minus 2x is a straight line. The graph of y minus 2x is a straight line. We will write this one. After I will explain next problem. Okay, Nana. After now I will explain next problem. Okay, Nana. After now, I am going to example 10. Draw the graph of the equation y minus 2x is equal to 4, and then answer the following, The first question is, does the point 2, 8 lie on the line is 2, 8 a solution of the equation check by substituting 2, 8 in the equation. So now I am going to second question, that is, does the point 4, 2 lie on the line is 4, 2 a solution of the equation check graphically or algebraically also. Later now I am going to third one. What I am asking in third one, from the graph find 3 more solutions of the equation and also 3 more which are not solutions. Okay, Nana, listen carefully. I will explain example 10. Okay, remaining example 11, example 12, and also example 13 will be homework. I will explain example 12, that is most important problem. Remaining 2 are homeworks. First we will explain this one. What I am asking in this one. First we will observe what I am asking. Draw the graph of a equation y minus 2x is equal to 4, and then answer the following. First, given equation is what is giving? Y minus 2x is equal to 4, that I will write. Y is equal to 2x plus 4 will write. This is the given equation. Here we will take some x values. We have to find out the value of y. After we will draw a graph. First we'll take the point x. After we'll take y is equal to 2x plus 4. After we'll write the order pair of x comma y. First we'll take that x is equal to 0. There y is what we have to write. Here we will observe y we have to write 2 into 0 plus 4 will write, that is the value is 4. Finally we have to write 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4 will write. After we'll take the point x is equal to 1, that I will write 2 into 1 plus 4 will write, that is the point is 6. I have to write 1 comma 6. After we'll take the point 2. Here we have to write 2 into 2 plus 4 will write 2 to 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, that is the point 2 comma 8. After we'll take the point 3, that I will write 2 into 3 plus 4 will write, that is 2, 3, 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, that I will write the point 3 comma 10. 3 comma 10. I'll observe. So by using these points, draw a graph. First, we'll take the Cartesian plane. This is the given Cartesian plane. This is named as x. This is named as x dash. This is named as y. This is named as y dash. We'll observe in this one. This is origin. Name it as O. First, we'll write the scale of given graph. I will write their scale. How to write their scale means we will observe their x and y coordinate values. Their x coordinate values are 0, 1, 2, 3. That I will write on x-axis. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit will take. After that, on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to. We will observe their y coordinate values. Their y coordinate values are 4, 6, 8, and 10. That means all are multiples of 2 means I will take 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units will take. Okay, first we will plot the x-axis values. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. After we will plot negative x-axis. This is -1, this is -2, this is -3, this is -4, and this is -5. After we will plot the y-axis values, that is, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 will take. After we will take -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, and -12 will take. We'll observe in this one. First, we'll plot the point 0, 4. We'll observe. Their x coordinate is 0 means given graph can lies in y-axis. That I will take. This is lies in y-axis. That is the point named as 0, 4. After we will take the point 1, 6. On x coordinate we will take 1. Y coordinate will take 6. That is the point named as 1, 6. This is the point named as 1, 6. After we will take the next point, that is 2, 8. On x coordinate will take 2. Y coordinate will take 8. That is the point named as 2, 8. After we will take the point 3, 10. Okay. On x coordinate will take 3. Y coordinate will take 10. That is the point named as 3, 10. Join all the points. Join all the points of given one. That I will write. What is the name of given graph here? This is y minus 2x is equal to 4. Y minus 2x is equal to 4. We'll observe the graph. The graph y minus 2x is equal to 4. 4 is a straight line. Is a straight line. Hence the concept will be completed. After now I am going to 3 problems. First we will write this one. Okay, Nana. After now I will explain the first one. Okay, Nana. First question. Does the point 2, 8 lie on the line? Is 2, 8 is a solution of the equation? Check by substituting 2, 8 in this given equation. First I will write the point 2, 8 is lie on the line. The point 2, 8 is a lie on the line means we will take the given linear equation. That is the given linear equation is y minus 2x is equal to 4. Minus 2x will become this side, that I will write y is equal to 2x plus 4. So what is the point is given? That is the point 2, 8. We will observe. Okay, the point order pair of x, y will take 2, 8. That means where x is 2, y is 8, will write. That means 8 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 4 will write. That is 8 is equal to 8. We will observe. Both LHS and RHS values are equal. Both LHS and RHS values are equal means the point 2, 8 is lie on the line, and it is a solution of y minus 2x is equal to 4 will write. Check by the substituting 2, 8 in this equation. Already we will check their LHS and RHS both will be equal. After now I am going to second one. What I am asking in this one? Does the point 4, 2 lie on the line? అంటే 4, 2 అనే పాయింట్ లైన్ మీద ఉంటుందా అంటున్నాడు. First we will take the given linear equation, that is y minus 2x is equal to 4. That I will write. We will take the point. What about the value of x, y? Here the given x, y is nothing but 4, 2 will write. That means that is will write x, y is equal to 4, 2 is given. 4, 2 is given. I will take where y is 2, their x value is 4, that I will write 4. 4 2 is 8. 2 minus 8 is nothing but minus 6. Minus 6 does not equal to 4 always. Their LHS and RHS are not equal. Their LHS value is minus 6. RHS value is 4. Minus 6 does not equal to 4. Okay, that I will write the point 4 comma 2 does not lie in the graph, does not lie in the line, does not lie in the line, does not lie in the line. Okay, given point does not lie in the line means when it is not a solution of given equation, that I will write, and it is not a solution of y minus 2x is equal to 4. After what I am asking, check algebraically also. Already graph will explain in this one. Already I will explain graph. Okay, Nana. Later now I am going to third problem. What I am asking, from the graph, find 3 more solutions of the equations and also 3 more which are not solutions. అయితే గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకున్నట్లయితేనన్నా సొల్యూషన్స్ సాటిస్ఫై అయ్యేటి ఒక 4 పాయింట్స్ 3 పాయింట్స్, సొల్యూషన్ సాటిస్ఫై కానేటి 3 పాయింట్స్ తీసుకోమన్నాడు. గివెన్ విల్ టేక్ గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈస్ y is equal to 2x plus 4 will write 2x plus 4 will write here. Here also will take y is equal to 2x plus 4 will write, but first we'll write their solutions, after we'll write not a solution. First we'll write the solution of the point, after we'll take not a solutions of the points. Given point is y is equal to 2x plus 4 which are solutions and which are not a solutions, which are solutions and which are not a solutions. We'll observe. I will take the point, okay, I will take the point 1 comma 6. We'll observe where y will become 6, x will become 1, that I will write 2 into 1 plus 4 will write. That means 2 1 are 2, 2 plus 4 is 6 when the point is solution, given solution, that I will take given point is 1 comma 6. This is a solution. Serial number will take serial number. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3 will take. First we will write their given equation. That is the given equation y is equal to 2x plus 4 will write. 2x plus 4 will write. This is a solution. After we'll take their x value is 2, their y value is 8. Once again we will check it this one. Y means 8. 8 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 4 will write. 2 2's 4. 4 plus 4 is 8 when it is also satisfied. After we'll take where x value is 3, their y value is 10 will take. We will observe y will take 10, x will take 3. 2 3 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. This is also solution. Which are not solutions of given equation? Here we will take 1 comma 7, 2 comma 9, 3 comma 12 are not a solutions. If we will take the x value is 1, their y value will become 6. Here we will take the x value will take 1, their y value is 7 when it is not a solution. Why? Because of LHS does not equal to RHS. Satisfies this the given equation. These are 3 solutions. These are not a solutions of given equation y is equal to 2x plus 4. We will write these three conditions. No, no. After now, I am going to example 11. No, no. We will observe. After now, I am going to next example. That is example 11. What I am asking in example 11, draw the graph of the equation. Draw the graph of the equation. Draw the graph of the equation. X minus 2y is equal to 3. From the graph, find the first problem is the solution x comma y where x is equal to minus 5. After we'll take the second one, that is the solution x comma y where y is equal to 0. After I will take the third one is the solution x comma y where x is equal to 0. Okay, Nana? We will observe in this one. First, we will take the given linear equation. First, we will write given equation is x minus 2y is equal to 3. Will write x minus 2y is equal to 3. Will write. We will observe in this one. What by how to write in this given equation? That I will take x minus 2y is equal to 3 will write. Minus 2y will become that side. That will write plus 3 will become this side. That I will write minus 3. X minus 3 is equal to 2y will write. After that, y is equal to x minus 3 by 2 will write. This is the value of y. After we will take the order pair of x comma y will write. First we will take x. After we will take x is equal to y is equal to x minus 3 by 2. After we will take the point order pair of x comma y. Order pair of x comma y. We will take some values of x and find the value of y. Finally, we have to take the order pair of x comma y. Finally, we will take the order pair of x comma y. We will observe. First, I will take, let x is equal to 0. 0 minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 means when it is minus 1.5 will write. Okay, does not take a decimal values, will take only positive or negative values will take in this graph. I will take, let x is equal to 1. 1 minus 3 by 2, that is minus 2 by 2, that is the value is minus 1. Here we'll write 1 comma minus 1. After we will take, let x is equal to 2. 2 minus 3 by 2, that is minus 1 by 2, 0.5. This is also decimal value. Does not take that one. After we will take, let x is equal to 3. 3 minus 3 by 2. 0 by any value is 0. I will take their x value is 3. Their y value is 0. That I will write 3 comma 0. After we will take, let x is equal to 4. 4 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2 does not take. Let x is equal to 5. 5 minus 3 by 2. 5 minus 3 by 2 is 2 by 2. I will take, let x is equal to 5. 5 minus 3 by 2 is equal to 2 by 2. That is the value is 1. That I will write 5 comma 1. After we will take the value 6. 6 minus 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 does not take. 7 minus 3 is 4. I will take the x value is 7. 7 minus 3 by 2 means 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means when it is the value is 2, that I will write the point 7 comma 2. That I will write the point 7 comma 2. I will draw a graph. I will draw a graph. We will observe. First, I will draw a graph. On x-axis, we will take, this is given x, this is x dash. After we will take, here all our positive x-axis are also, there is no negative x-axis, that I will take. After we will take, this is y-axis, this is y, this is y dash we will take. First we will write the scale of given graph. Their x coordinates are 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7, all are below 7. We'll write their scale. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit will take. After we'll take on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit will take. Here we'll observe. This is the origin. Oh, after we'll take their x coordinate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 will take their negative x-axis. There is no negative x-axis values means that I will take minus 1 and minus 2. After we'll take the positive y-axis, we'll take this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Their negative y-axis is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. We will observe in this one. First we will plot the point 1 comma minus 1. On x coordinate we will take 1. Their y coordinate also will take X coordinate will take 1, y coordinate will take -1, that is the point 1 comma minus 1. That is the point 1 comma minus 1. After we'll take the point 3 comma 0, where y coordinate is 0 means given one can lies in x-axis. That I will write. Their second point is 3 comma 0. After we'll take the point 5 comma 1. On x coordinate will take 5. Y coordinate will take 1. That is the point, name it as 5 comma 1. After we'll take the point 7 comma 2. On x coordinate will take 7. Y coordinate will take 2. That is the point, name it as 7 comma 2. Join all the points in this given graph. That I will join all the points in the given graph. Given graph is a straight line. What is the name of given graph here? Here the given graph is x minus 2y is equal to 3. X minus 2y is equal to 3. That is, I will write the graph x minus 2y is equal to 3. The graph x minus 2y is equal to 3 is a straight line. We'll observe the graph x minus 2y is equal to 3 is a straight line. First I will explain. Their graph of equation will be completed after I will explain 3 problems. Okay, first we'll write this one. Okay, Nana. Now I am going to first problem. Okay, Nana. What I am asking in first one, the solution of x comma y where x is equal to minus 5. Here we will observe x is equal to minus 5 is given. X is equal to minus 5 is given. Then now I have to find out the value order pair of x comma y. What about the given equation here? Given equation is x minus 2y is equal to 3. Where given x value is minus 5, that I will write minus 5 minus 2y is equal to 3. Minus 2y is equal to 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 2 ones, 2 fours, 8. That is the value y is equal to minus 4. Here we'll write in this one order pair of x comma y is minus 5 comma minus 4. This is first one. After now I am going to second one. What I am asking here, their y coordinate is 0. Their y coordinate is 0. I have to find out the value of x. Given one, what is given? X minus 2y is equal to 3 is given. Where y coordinate value is 0, that I will write x minus 2 into 0 is equal to 3. 0 into any value is 0, that I will write x is equal to 3. We know that the value x equal to 3. Then y is equal to 0. We will write the order pair of x comma y is 3 comma 0. We'll write. After now I am going to third one. After now I am going to third one. What I am asking, where x is equal to 0 is given, then find the value of y. X minus 2y will become 3. 0 minus 2y will become 3. That is the point y is equal to minus 3 by 2. Here we have to write the order pair of x comma y is, where x is 0, y is minus 3 by 2 will write. That is the 3 points we'll ask in this given problem. No, no. After now I will explain example 12. What I am asking in example 12, 25% of 25% of the students, 25% of the students in a school, are girls, and others are boys, form an equation, and draw a graph for this by observing the graph, answer the following. The first one is, find the number of boys, if the number of girls is 25. After now I am going to second one, that is, find the number of girls if the number of boys is 45. After now I am going to third one, that is take three different values for number of boys and find the number of girls. Similarly, take three different values for number of girls and find the number of boys. What I am asking, 25% of the students in a school are girls. 25% of the students in a school are girls and others are boys. Means first I will take, let the number of girls be X. Let the number of girls be X and the number of boys be Y. You'll observe total number of students in a class means, that is the combination of boys and girls. We'll write total number of students in a class is equal to boys and girls. Boys will take a Y, girls will take X, that I will write X plus Y. In this problem, one condition is given. What is that condition? 25% of the students in a school are girls, others are boys. We'll write this one. According to the given information, number of girls is equal to 25% of the students. Number of girls is equal to 25% of the students. Okay, sir. 25% of the students. Number of the girls will take Y. Will observe. Number of the girls will take X. Number of the girls will take X. That I will take X is equal to 25% into the total students will take X plus Y. That I will write X is equal to 25 by 100 into X plus Y will write 25 ones, 25 fours, 100. 4 into X will become 4X. 4X is equal to X plus Y will write. Plus X will become this side, that I will write 3X is equal to Y, or 3X minus Y is equal to 3X minus Y is equal to 0. This is the given equation. If we will take some X values, then find the value of Y. First we will take the values of Y. After we will take the values of Y is equal to 3X. Here we will take the values of X and find the value of Y. After we will write X comma Y. We will take the points 10, 20, 30 and 40. Y is equal to 3X means 3 into 10 will become 30. 3 into 20 is 60. 3 into 30 is 90. 3 into 40 is 120 will write. That is the point. Then we'll take 0 also. 0 comma 0. That I will write the point. 10 comma 30. 20 comma 60. 30 comma 90. 40 comma 120 will write. 40 comma 120 will write. Okay. I will draw a graph. I will draw a graph. This is the given graph. On the x coordinate will take a 10 units scale, 10 units. Y coordinate also will take 10 units. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. After will take 10, 20.
Sir, yes, sir.
This is 30. This is 40. This is the negative x-axis means minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40.
The time is, sir.
10. This is 20. This is 30 and this is 40. Okay, y coordinate will take 30 units will take. So I am sorry that I will take the point 30, 60, 90 and 120. Their negative y-axis is minus 30, minus 60, minus 90 and minus 120 will take. And the first point is 10 comma 30. On x coordinate will take 10, y coordinate will take 30. That is the point 10 comma 30.
Yes, sir.
After will take the point 20
Sir.
comma 60. This is 20. This is 60 plotted at the point
Yes,
20
sir.
comma. After will take the point 30 comma 90. This is the point named as 30 comma 90. After will take the point 40 comma 120. Join all the points. Join